Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw from OKX to DSJ. Moving funds between exchanges sounds simple, but this is one of the easiest ways to lose money if you're careless. When you're transferring crypto from one platform to another, you're dealing with wallet addresses, networks, and irreversible transactions. One small mistake, wrong network, wrong address, and your funds are gone for good. Open the DSJ Exchange app and log in. Next, click on Assets. This is where your funds are managed. Now tap Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. This determines what you must send from OKX. If you select USDT, then send USDT. After that, copy the wallet address shown. This is your receiving address, so it must be exact. Now, launch the OKX app and log in. Tap the menu button on the top left corner. Then select Withdraw. Next, pick Exchanges or Wallets, since you're sending funds to another platform. Then, choose the correct network. Make sure the network matches the DSJ network. If mismatched, then the funds are lost. Paste the deposit address you copied earlier. This helps direct funds to your DSJ account. Then, input how much you want to send. Start with a small amount first, but you can enter the normal amount too. Tap Submit. A confirmation tab will appear. Click Confirm. What happens next? OKX processes your withdrawal. Blockchain confirms the transaction and funds arrive in your DSJ account. Crypto transfers are not instant, so it might take time. To summarize, withdrawing from OKX to DSJ involves copying your deposit address from DSJ, going to OKX, selecting Withdraw, choosing the correct network, pasting the address, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. Accuracy in address and network selection is critical. And that's how to withdraw from OKX to DSJ Exchange. The process is straightforward, but only if you stay careful and intentional. Never rush transfers. Always double-check your details and test with small amounts first. Remember, crypto gives you full control, but that also means full responsibility. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.